Good morning or afternoon. Thank you for joining us. Today we're going to explore how resonance ultrasonic variance testing in zirconia manufacturing plays a critical role in improving restoration quality, boosting productivity, and reducing costly remakes for dental labs. The reason we manufacture our zirconia in the U.S. is that we care deeply about zirconia quality. Our outsourced digital milling service is one of the largest outsourced zirconia milling operations in the U.S. We use the same zirconia discs in our outsourcing operations that we make for our dental lab customers. Argen itself is one of the biggest consumers of Argen Zirconia. The better we make our discs, the more our outsourcing operations benefit from reduced remakes and improved profitability. We're highly invested in zirconia quality from both the user and the manufacturer's perspective. We've talked in other videos about how high-quality materials and a rigorous production process can improve production quality. Today, we're going to talk about the inspection and quality control process. Every manufacturing process, no matter how advanced, can produce products with flaws. Microfractures and other internal defects aren't always visible to the naked eye. These hidden issues can compromise restorations, leading to costly remakes and unhappy clients. This is where the Argen quality inspection process comes in. To eliminate any possible imperfections in the final product, Argen uses resonance ultrasonic variance, or RUV testing, for our zirconia. RUV testing involves sending ultrasonic waves through the zirconia disc. Variations in wave resonance can reveal micro defects that might compromise strength or aesthetics. Good discs look like the blue line in a scan, and flawed discs look like the red example on the left. By catching these issues early, we protect your lab from unexpected failures, help you avoid remakes, and improve your lab's overall profitability. Here are some examples of the impact of microfractures in zirconia discs. The example on the left shows the impact in single crowns, and on the right shows microfractures in a full arch case. The greater the volume of milling your lab does, or the more complex your milling cases, the more important that quality zirconia becomes. The image here is a good example of a microfracture's impact on a restoration and can be seen as the straight line in a fully milled unit. The farther a restoration goes into the manufacturing process before a microfracture is found, the greater the profitability and productivity impact on your lab. Argen's RUV testing protects your lab from microfracturing by removing defective discs before they can enter your lab. Quality zirconia reduces remakes and improves your lab's productivity and profitability. It's one way that we've improved performance and reduced remakes in our own outsourced milling operations. Unless a manufacturer uses something like RUV testing, it's very difficult to tell if microfractures exist until someone attempts to mill a restoration. When restorations fail, it's not just frustrating, it's expensive. A lab making 1,000 crowns per month can lose nearly $60,000 a year from remakes. Choosing high-quality zirconia made from TOSOH powder, Argen's U.S. manufacturing process, and our rigorous RUV testing of every disc can drastically reduce that risk. Every Argen Z zirconia disc is RUV tested to detect microfractures, reduce remake rates, and improve lab productivity. Every decision in Argen's U.S. manufacturing process, from material selection to furnace choice to RUV testing, targets a simple goal: quality. High-quality zirconia leads to fewer remakes, better profitability, better fits, and more predictable, beautiful results for labs and patients alike. Feel free to reach out to your sales consultant to learn more about how Argen Zirconia is made and how quality zirconia reduces microfracturing and improves lab productivity and profitability. Try Argen Zirconia for yourself and see the difference premium TOSOH powder and quality manufacturing can make. If you're interested in the financial impact of remakes on a lab's profitability, schedule a meeting with your Argen sales consultant.